Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate Klassno, only way. Heat 1 cup whole milk or preferred milk in a small saucepan over medium-low heat and whisk in 2 tablespoons cocoa and 1 tablespoon sugar until smooth. Add 30 g chopped dark chocolate for richness, stir until melted, and remove from heat. Pour into a mug, top with whipped cream or marshmallows, and enjoy a cozy, perfectly balanced cup. Start by prepping ingredients so everything is ready to go and the process stays relaxed. Warm milk gently and whisk in cocoa and sugar until the mixture is uniform, then add chopped chocolate and stir until glossy and smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness with a pinch more sugar if needed, or add a splash of vanilla for depth. Serve immediately in a pre-warmed mug for the best cozy experience. Experiment with small additions to find your ideal cup without overcomplicating the process. A teaspoon of vanilla or a pinch of cinnamon adds warmth, while 1 tsb instant espresso powder intensifies chocolate without making it taste like coffee. For texture, try whipped cream or toasted marshmallows or a tiny sprinkle of sea salt for contrast. Keep adjustments subtle, taste as you go, and enjoy a personalized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.